Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on your Google Play Store in HTC U23 Pro. And to do this, let's launch our Google Play Store and here try to find the game. So we're gonna go for Call of Duty. And there's a game right here, but when we click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this, we'll need to go back to the homepage of Google Play Store and click on our profile picture in the top right corner of our screen. Then move to the settings, enter Family, go for Parental Controls. Right here we can either disable parental controls entirely or enter Apps and Games. Insert the PIN code and click on OK. Then increase PG to at least 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. Now go back and look for the same game. And it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.